Determining boundaries of irrigated landscape ecosystems, a participatory approach using transect walks and focus group discussion. By Ganda ZB. The objective of the study is to identify and evaluate the different ecosystems in irrigation landscapes based on physical characteristics, land use, soil type, vegetation, crops cultivated, etc. Ecosystem services, and the location of key resources in order to determine the boundaries of the ecosystem in irrigated landscapes in the White Volta Basin. Agricultural landscapes are continuously changing under the influence of humans and nature, resulting in a variety of local impacts. Agricultural landscapes are the visual result of land uses that represent the cultural landscape group with origin, structure, and ecological relations that differ from the natural landscapes. In the White Volta Basin, WVB, ecosystem boundaries are dynamic in both space and time. Periodic evaluation is required to determine the boundaries and ecosystem services on which community livelihood depends. The study was conducted in 2015-2016 in the White Volta Basin. Transect walk and focus group discussions are participatory rural appraisal tools used. These participatory methods enabled the active participation of community members in research. Focus group discussions enabled the assessment of the types of ecosystem, provisional and cultural services available. And ranking gave an indication of the most needed and available service and location to a household. Transect walk provided information on visual and physical characteristics in the ecosystems. And focus group discussions with a checklist on thematic areas provided in-depth information on the ecosystem services availability and uses. Transect walk not only identifies ecosystem boundaries in a landscape but also aids in the evaluation of the type of provisioning services available between boundaries. The movement of ecosystem boundaries is often gradual and depends on the balance between external forces such as climate, water management, and human activities, and natural ecological processes. Boundaries may also move in response to stress, drought, while in others, they expand as ecosystems adapt to new opportunities, irrigation or climate change. From the study, it was established that irrigated ecosystems can be partitioned into catchment, upstream, midstream, and downstream with very distinct boundaries and specific ecosystem provisioning services accessible in the demarcations availability and uses. Transect walk not only identifies ecosystem boundaries in a landscape but also aids in the evaluation of the type of provisioning services available between boundaries. Transect walks and focus group discussions were observed as necessary tools in identifying and categorizing ecosystem services available between ecosystem boundaries. From the study, it was established that irrigated ecosystems can be partitioned into catchment, upstream, midstream, and downstream with very distinct boundaries and specific ecosystem provisioning services accessible in the demarcations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.